Two goats are grazing in my village forest. You see, you see the beauties on earth. You see cows are grazing. Full scenery. Two cows grazing in my village forest and two herons side of two cows. You see. Yes. Oh, flee away. The Indian heron. The bird is flying, cow is going. Yes, this is my village. I put the water there and the crows are drinking. How magnificent scenery you can't imagine in this morning. The village forest flower in my village. Yes. The trees, the banyan tree, and this banyan tree. The passerby taking rest here in my village forest. My village, a cow and a calf. See, it's my village cow. Look the sceneries. Are grazing in the bush, in the village forest. See the afternoon sceneries of my village. You see how beautiful this nature. In village, you see the cows. The cows are in the morning time. Bull is resting under the shadow of the tree because India is a hot country and this is noon time. The beautiful sceneries of a grazing cow in the village agriculture field. Goat is grazing in the village field. You see, friends, you see a village cow is grazing and a Indian heron is sitting on the ground. You see, friends, you see, you enjoy the beauties of my village. Friends, you see a greater Indian cowgirl in my garden.